This is the guy from Garage New. How are you guys doing? Today we are going to talk here about one wax that many of you already know, right? And we will talk all its features and benefits. Cold melted wax, black features and benefits. Cold black cast wax. It is developed by Japanese brand SOFT99 and is recognized worldwide for its efficiency and durability in the treatment of automotive paints, specifically designed for vehicles. Dark colors, like blacks and other close tones. This wax provides delicate protection and intense shine. Its main features: protection. Advanced occult black spindle. Main feature is its high capacity, forming like this a barrier that repels water and dirt. This layer protects the paint against water stains, acid rain, and pollutants. Keep the car clean like this longer. Extreme durability. Wax offers protection that can last up to 12 months. When applied correctly, its formula resists severe weather conditions. Soft like the intense sun, rain, and temperature variations. Keep performance for extended periods. Brightness enhancement in dark paintings, as it is thus formulated for dark colors. Cold black spindle. It intensifies the silence, thus providing a deep mirror finish. It also helps mask small risks, imperfections in painting, reduce dirt grip. With its polymer-based formula, flowered is even difficult to name. The wax creates an extremely smooth surface, hindering the adhesion of dust, polluting insects, and other waste that can cause there that can appear. Easy application. Despite its advanced technology, cold black spindle application. It's simple. The product is accompanied by a sponge, a right applicator facilitating uniform spreadability. After application, just wait for drying, thus forming a light white mist, and performs polishing with Guy's microfiber cloth. UV ray protection. Wax protects the paint against the harmful effects of ultraviolet rays, fading, and early oxidation. It is especially in vehicles frequently exposed to sun. Guys, the sun has you to protect. Your car has to protect. Low product consumption. A small amount of spindle coat black is enough to cover large areas. It's like this, making the product economical. An excellent cost-benefit. That's it, guys. I hope I have cleared your doubts. And if you want to purchase the cold black spindle, I will leave the link in the right description. And until the next video, and it was worth